All right, let's talk about features. And let's start with announcements. Announcements are mass text messages that can be sent to a larger number of contacts. And those contacts can be chosen in a few different ways. They either can be selected from the address book, they can be sent, an announcement can be sent to a contact based on a certain tag, or you can simply upload a CSV file. Announcement can be sent right away, or it can be scheduled to go out in the future. Automations. Automation feature allows you to set up an automated message based on a certain trigger. I think one of the most popular automations with our customers is out of office one. So if a business has set business hours and their customer happens to text them after business hours, they would receive an automated reply basically stating what the hours are and that an agent will get back to them first thing when they're back in the office. So it allows to set certain expectations with the customer. However, there are many other ways an automation can be set up. It can be based on a keyword. Certain messages can be directed to specific agents. Again, there are multiple ways that can be done, and we are here to walk you through it if you need any help. Scheduled messages. You can set up, you can schedule a message to go out at a specific date and time. And I think what a lot of our customers do when using scheduled message, they send it out as a reminder or a follow-up with their customers. NPS survey. NPS stands for Net Promoter Score. It's a standardized survey that is used across many industries. And what it does, it measures the satisfaction of customers with a product or service provided by organization. So basically it will tell an organization how happy their customers are with them. Conversation history. Conversation history allows you to go back in time and check for certain details. You can see what agents, how your agents reply to a customer. So if you need to go back in time and verify anything, conversation history will give you the ability to do so. Domain claiming. When an organization has multiple agents, when new agents are trying to join the main text line account in the company, or when an admin is inviting a new agent. So what domain claiming does, it directs all of those new agents to the main text line account. So this way, if an agent is trying to join and they're new, they won't accidentally create a new separate text line account. Admin and agent roles. Text line, you can set up text line by having your agents be separated from admins. So admin will have a broader access to certain things in text lines, such as billing information. Admin will be able to add a new department, or maybe add or remove agents, and agents won't have those permissions. Custom roles. Custom roles go even more granular into separation between agent and admin. If I have multiple agents in my organization and I want certain agents to have permissions to, let's say, set up a new automation or send out a new announcement, I'll be able to do so by giving them that permission set using custom roles feature. Unified inbox. If an organization has multiple departments, what unified inbox does, it will allow an agent to view all of those departments in one conversation view. So this way, if an agent belongs to multiple departments, they don't have to switch back and forth between those different departments, and they won't miss any messages. Dispositions. When a conversation gets resolved, a disposition, by using disposition, an agent can set a specific outcome of that conversation. So this way, an organization can have a deeper insight into what their customers are texting in with the most, and also how agents are handling certain situations. Retention policy. Retention policy. If a customer doesn't want to keep a conversation history forever, if they want to set certain time for the conversation history to be cleared, retention policy will give them that ability. And it will clear the history from both TextLine UI and our servers where we keep data. I think the biggest use case for retention policy is the privacy concern, but maybe also when an organization doesn't want their agents to have an ability to go back in time and have access to the conversation history with customers. Basic support. Basic support means that any agent within a TextLine account can send an email to support or text into TextLine customer service HQ with any questions that they have while using TextLine, and our customer support representative will get back to them. Integrations. TextLine has a number of direct integrations, such as Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zendesk, Slack, and some other ones. However, if a customer is using any other CRM that they would like to connect to TextLine, they can. We would recommend to check out Zapier to see if Zapier can accommodate that request. However, if maybe it's not available on Zapier, or if customer would like to set up some custom workflows, that's where we would share our API documentation to allow customer to connect their application with TextLine. So maybe if they want to have an automated message go out from TextLine based on a certain trigger or change of some kind of status in their CRM, an API will allow them to do that. Priority support. Having priority support means having a dedicated customer success manager on TextLine team, and who will be checking in with the customer, making sure that they are properly set up, that they have everything they need to be successful, but also sharing our experience within similar industries based on experience with other customers. So hopefully our new customers will have access to the pool of knowledge that they can take advantage of. Phew. That's it. Thank you.